Hello, dear English learners. Welcome to day one of your English listening and speaking practice. Today is the beginning of your English speaking journey. Maybe you feel nervous. Maybe you think your English is not good enough. But let me tell you something important. You do not need perfect English to start speaking. You only need courage. Every fluent English speaker started as a beginner, and today you are taking your first step. That is something to be proud of. Now remember, just listening to English is not enough. If you want to speak English confidently, you must speak. Even if you speak slowly. Even if you make mistakes. Mistakes are part of learning. They are not your enemy. They are your teacher. Today we are going to practice 15 simple but powerful sentences together. Listen carefully, then repeat after me. Try to copy the pronunciation, rhythm, and feeling of each sentence. Most importantly, speak out loud. Ready? Let's begin. I am learning English. I am learning English. I am learning English. I speak English every day. I speak English every day. I speak English every day. I believe in myself. I believe in myself. I believe in myself. I am not afraid of mistakes. I am not afraid of mistakes. I am not afraid of mistakes. I enjoy learning English. I enjoy learning English. I enjoy learning English. Very good. Keep your voice steady and confident. I listen carefully. I listen carefully. I listen carefully. I practice every day. I practice every day. I practice every day. I am getting better every day. I am getting better every day. I am getting better every day. I speak slowly and clearly. I speak slowly and clearly. I speak slowly and clearly. I trust the learning process. I trust the learning process. I trust the learning process. Excellent. You are doing great. Let's continue. My English improves every day. My English improves every day. My English improves every day. I can communicate in English. I can communicate in English. I can communicate in English. I learn something new every day. I learn something new every day. I learn something new every day. I never give up. I never give up. I never give up. My confidence grows every day. My confidence grows every day. My confidence grows every day. Amazing work. Take a deep breath, relax your shoulders, and feel proud of yourself. You have just completed day one of your English shadowing challenge. Remember, progress does not happen in one day. It happens one sentence at a time, one practice session at a time, and one step at a time. Keep practicing, keep speaking, and most importantly, keep believing in yourself. I am proud of you. See you tomorrow in day 2.